'cause we're aiming high.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Abhinav and welcome to Abhinav's Beats. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make a DIY face mask. So it's a no-sew mask which I hope you'll enjoy. For the first method, the things we need are a piece of cloth, 2 hair bands. You can use rubber bands, any type of elastic band you can find at your home. So first step is to fold the fabric in half. Now just smooth it out. Then fold it in half once again. Now scrunch up the ends so you can put your elastic band or your hair ties or even your ribbons, shoelaces, you can use anything. Today I'm using hair ties. Pull the hair ties towards the center. Now fold both the ends into the center. If you want, you can tuck one fabric inside the other. So you can either wear this mask like covering your nose or just right under your nose. So in just under 1 minute, your super easy mask is ready. Woohoo! That's our first mask done. For the second method, you need a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. You see, it's easy. So we only need the sleeve of this t-shirt. Cut it out. Now that we've got the t-shirt sleeve, open it up and smooth it out. So now we need the string to hold the mask in place. So if you have normal string, you can use that, but since we have the t-shirt here, we can make a string out of that. Let's see how. Now cut the bottom bit of the t-shirt. You can use it as the string. So I've cut 2 strings that we need to tie up our mask. Now tie a knot where you think approximately would fit your face. Just eyeball it, you can redo this later. So our easy peasy second mask is ready. Now let's see how I make a mask using socks. What you need to make this instant DIY socks mask is a sock, a pair of scissors, and a paper towel. First of all, cut both the ends of the socks. For an adult-sized mask, use a loose sock that has more room so that can fully cover your nose and mouth. Now cut a slit about 1 centimeter off the sides. A piece of paper towel or toilet paper can be used to pad up the mask from the inside. Fold it to about the same size as the opening of the sock. Slip in the paper towel in between the folds to act as a filter. Smooth the fabric out and you've got a perfect DIY face mask that we made with socks. So this is a no sew, no rubber band mask. You can use coffee filters as an alternative for tissue papers. Face masks require cleaning and coffee filters, paper towels and tissues are just good for one use. Due to the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, face masks have become really essential, along with social distancing. However, due to the overwhelming global demand, you can't find face masks anywhere. In store, online, you can't find them. As a result, Many people have started making their own face masks. But here's the fact, there is no need to panic. It's quite easy to make your own face mask. So I just wanted to clarify something. These are not actually N95 masks, so this is not a medical device, but it's way better than wearing nothing. Your mask protects me, and my mask protects you. Though you're wearing your mask, don't forget to wash your hands and clean your mask daily. So today we've seen how to make a mask out of t-shirt, out of socks, out of a piece of cloth. So I'll give you a fun fact before I go. Did you know that cotton blocks about 50% of my particles? Yeah, so that's why I made my mask out of a cotton cloth. So that'll wrap it up for today's episode of Abhinav Beats. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Bye bye.